We're working on what I'm calling a progressive renovation of our ensuite at the moment. We're doing some of it DIY, some of it with trades, and all of it when we get a chance. Naturally, I've also overcomplicated it with everything from addressable lighting to a smart mirror, so it's taking a little longer than we expected. Fortunately, we have a second bathroom we've been using while the ensuite is in progress. The bathroom's quite compact, it doesn't have a good spot for a towel rail, so we hang our towels on these command hooks on the back of the door. Now, I'm a notoriously distractible guy, as my wife will be more than happy to tell you about, so after my morning shower, I typically walk the length of our house back to the bedroom, get dressed, and immediately dive into the day's work, often forgetting to hang my towel back on the hook in the bathroom and leaving it on the bed in our bedroom. This makes my wife Brit very, very angry. To solve this issue, I could just be a little bit more disciplined and put my towel back on the hook every day. Or I could use my printers and Home Assistant to compensate for my lack of discipline. That seems like the healthier option, right? Yeah. What I need is some way to tell if I've returned my towel to the hook after a shower. If I haven't, it should alert me via my phone or maybe a siren of some kind. I want to do it as cheaply as possible, and I don't want to just go the route of having a simple dumb reminder notification, so I figured the best way to do it might be to have the hook itself tell my smart home when there's something hanging on it. A smart hook of sorts. Recently, I made a video about modifying these Aqara T1 sensors into recessed door sensors using a new 3D printed housing. In order to design those sensors, I had to model up the sensor PCB so I could design around it. I figured with another custom housing, I could make a Zigbee-enabled smart hook using these same sensors. And because I've already modeled the PCB, half the work's already done. I figured the design could be as simple as a spring-loaded mechanism in the hook that would allow it to interact with the reed switch when there's something hung on it. When there's no weight on the hook, the springs would hold the magnet close to the sensor, closing the reed switch and showing in Home Assistant as closed. And then when weight is added to the hook, it'd compress the springs, moving the magnet away from the reed switch and showing in Home Assistant as open. That seemed pretty doable for me. There are a couple of other design considerations as well. It can't be too large. I'd like it to be similar to the existing hooks we use, and it needs to be easily printable on a standard 3D printer, so you guys can make one too. With all my constraints defined, I set to work on the design. It took a bunch of prototypes and experimentation to nail down the distance between the sensor and the magnet so it'd be triggered as soon as the hook moved. It turned out to be more complicated than I anticipated. The reed switches in these sensors seem to have a little bit of a stiction. Let me try and explain what I'm saying. Let's say the magnet activates the reed sensor at 5mm or less from the sensor. My testing found that it sometimes wouldn't deactivate the sensor until it was more than, say, 9mm from the sensor. These aren't real measurements, by the way, just examples. What that means for us is that our reliable activation and deactivation points are different. And for reliable operation of our smart hook, the hook's travel would need to be a little more than the difference between the 2 points. This was an interesting one to try and figure out, and it took me a little while to realize that's what I was seeing. The other difficult part was getting the spring tension just right. I didn't want the hook to be too difficult to actuate, but also didn't want it to be able to bind up in the pressed position, giving me a false positive. A few prototypes later, I had a design I was pretty happy with, and I put it straight to work. I'm pretty proud of this design. It's loosely based on the proportions of the command hooks I'm replacing, and aside from the prints, uses just a few screws and the T1 sensor, meaning the whole thing can be made for about $15 including the sensor. Putting it together is pretty straightforward. It prints in a handful of parts and goes together in just a couple minutes. The magnet is installed in this component along with the 2 springs. I ended up with a 2-spring system that allows you to remove a spring to reduce the tension if you want a little less. Then a single screw goes through this assembly and into the hook on the other side of the main body, securing the magnet in place, and locking this sliding assembly in place too. The dismantled Akara sensor is installed in this recess in the body with a small printed part holding it in place with a couple screws. As you can see, when the hook has some weight on it, it slides down, moving the magnet away from the sensor. To mount the hook to a wall, or in this case a door, just apply some double-sided tape or a command strip or something to the mount, stick it in place, then hook your smart hook into the bottom here and pivot it into position. Then it's just held in place with an M3x10 screw in the top. You can also use a couple of screws to fix the mounting plate in place if you'd prefer. All the files to print your own are over on Printables for free, as always, and if you don't have a printer yet, you can buy the prints and hardware over on our store. The link's in the video description. There's also a tutorial for assembling the smart hook over on my second channel, The Saucepan. Now, with my new smart hook installed, I can create an automation in Home Assistant to solve my towel problem once and for all. When the towel hook changes to the closed state, indicating that the hook is empty, and it's after my alarm time in the morning, it'll start a timer. If the hook doesn't change to the open state, indicating my towel has been hung back up, I'll get a notification to my phone reminding me to hang it up. If the hook still doesn't detect my towel after another 30 minutes, it'll escalate to an alarm sound played on my speakers. In theory, now it shouldn't be possible for me to unknowingly leave my towel in the wrong spot. But that's not all these hooks could be used for. For example, if your keys are not on the hook when the house goes into sleep mode, perhaps you receive a notification to double check you didn't leave them in the car or something. Or maybe the TV doesn't turn on till the kids have put their backpacks on the hooks in their room to make sure they don't end up dumped in the entryway. Or maybe removing your dressing gown from a smart hook could turn on the lights through the house for you to grab a late night snack or something. What about you? Do you have any ideas for what these could be used for in your household? As always, I've made all the files available for you to print your own smart hook over on Printables. And you can buy pairs of hooks ready for you to install your own T1 sensor in over on our store. The link's down in the description below. If you like this video, leave it a like. If not, let me know why. And check out this video here. YouTube thinks you'll like it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you next time.